call me a god. You call me a god.
You just got you a new car, huh? You only got 7,000 miles on it, huh? Dealership said they did all the services to your car. They told you that it's gonna cost you $150 to change out the cabin air filter. Well, in this video, we're gonna make it real simple. Here we got a cabin air filter. We're gonna swap it out on this car. But let me show you some stuff. So as you guys can see, this car has 8,750 miles on it, right? So if I go over to the cabin air filter, which is in the glove box, let me show you how horrible it looks. And they told me it was done when I purchased the car. All right, so if you want to take the cabin air filter off, first thing you got to do, this little tab right here, you just push this forward. That disconnects this part right here, and then you just squeeze this and this in towards each other and push down. It should pop right out. Once you squeeze these two down, you're gonna have access to the fill tap here. So there's two tabs. There's one that's right there, and there's another one that's literally right there. So you pop that one off too. Take this off. Inside is the OEM Honda. Let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's brand new. Well, supposedly it's been changed when I purchased the car about 3 days ago, but if you look through it, it's full of trash. So it's never been changed. I bet you it hasn't been changed since the car's been purchased. So if I slam this on the ground, look at all that's coming out. Never been changed. All right, so once you take the old one out, you grab the new one, and you're basically gonna do it in reverse. The reason why I got this one is because it's activated with carbon. I don't know how to explain how carbon works, but it removes more minerals out of the air that you breathe. So yeah, man, so this is the new one. What I like to do whenever I change out my cabin air filter is I spray a little bit of this black ice on it. Whenever the AC is running or air is flowing through it, it makes the car smell like black ice. Not a lot, don't go crazy, but just a little bit. Okay, once it's sitting there nice and tight, you grab the cover. These little tabs here on the bottom, this holds the filter up on the bottom. So when you put this in, you want to make sure you push the filter itself up and then clip it in. I need two hands to do this, but I want you guys to understand that's the most important part. You don't want this to pinch this in. You want it to lift it up, and then you should be good to go. You put this little piece here back on, like that. Clip, and that's it. Boom, cabin air filter replaced from the one that I purchased with the car. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.